Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and in the daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will start your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The links of them, they are down in the description of that video, because in Discord and Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, that the weekly candle here, it's finished, and it's finished exactly like how us we've been accepting. People they've been with us. If you remember last Friday, we making the same video like that when that weekly candle here finished that one. And now here, forget about all the past and focus it with me just about that 3 candles here. Those ones here, what those candles they indicating? Those candles they indicating there is a bull run going to start, guys. That's what they indicating. And if you remember in all our analysis, also been talking about the 200 moving average here we have here. We couldn't break it. All the week we've been talking about it. Look at it now, what the market gave us here. Now what should we do here? We need to wait in the break to happen, to break for us that last high, which is here. People they been with us also in the daily. When it touch the moving average 50, we buy 20% from our capital, and we've been waiting to touch the 200, but it doesn't fall down. Another good sign here, what's happening here in the weekly. So here in the weekly, what is it here? Till now you still have here that wage here. Look at it, very clear wage here in the weekly, as you see it, very clear wage here in the weekly. That one you need to wait in where it's going to get broke. If we're breaking above here, that man also we're going to start another major bull run here. If we're breaking down here, that's another story. Everything is too clear, guys. Now what shall we do? As you see, the 50 moving average, it's still below, but that one is going to cross above very late, not now. Till that one is going to reach to 30k or 40k. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for all the week, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for all the week, as you see it here, what we got. In Monday, we got holidays, as you see it. A holiday is it in UK, a holiday in America. So I think the market is going to be closed. Then what we got in 30th of May, in Tuesday, we got that one, that consumer confidence. That one is very important measurement indicator. You need to be focused about it. Then Wednesday, 31 of May, what we got? We got that jolt. That one is going to tell us the coming unemployment rate. Then we got Germany's CPI, because Germany, it's affecting the market when it came the GDP of them, because Germany officially it's entered to recession, and Germany is the major country economically, I'm talking here in Europe. So that's why it's affecting the market a little bit. Then in Thursday, 1st of June, what we got here, a lot of news we got. We got the CPI or inflation data of Europe, as you see it here. Then we got the ECB minute meeting, let's make it like that, or European minute meeting, or that meeting of them. They are going to discuss if they are going to increase interest rate or not, like the same one of America. Then we got non-farm employment change, EDP, that one for USA. That's what I told you. Initial jobless claim plus ISM manufacturing. That one is very important measurement. It's going to tell us if the US dollar is going to go up or no. Then in Friday, the last day of the week, what we got here, as you see it, we got average hourly earning for USA. Then we got non-farm payroll, and people they been in the market for some time, they know what it meant, non-farm payroll. Then we got unemployment rate, and that one a very important measurement if the unemployment rate is increased, like how is it the forecasting here, that 3.5, that good, that is going to lead the Fed to pause hiking interest rate more this month, at least this month. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long here. And here we got our friend, the table of us. As you see it, what it's telling us today, the start of Monday, but we need to wait until the end of the day. Then we see how is the market is going to end up, because today we can make a decision based on the start of the week. As you see, the Dow Jones is green, the SP green, the Nasdaq green, but we need to wait until the end of the day. Even US dollar here is green, as you see it, and our friend the VIX is falling down because what happened, the debt ceiling, the ritual agreement had very good news. And as you see it here, even Scarn is here, it falling down. The VIX here, it fell down from 20 to 17. That's very good news, guys, here. So, guys, us we are in what can we say that? Us we are in the door to go out from those crises. And us every day we came to you to analyze you for you the economical data. So make sure to watch all our weekly videos to understand every day what's happening. So now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, you remember what me have been telling you here? We came, we do it like that. And I tell you here, we have a triangle here. Like that. That triangle, look at it. You are in the border of it here now. As you see it. Till now here in the daily, there is nothing yet, guys. Even all that big candle we came today. Till now in the daily, there is nothing yet. Look at it. Just you by your eyes. If we haven't break here, a candle came and do it like that. There is no entry long yet. And me personally, I'm still waiting that level here. That one here to be broke. That last high here to be broke. For me to understand, also we're changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. I show you in the last video something here very important. People to be in with us, they remember it, but it's okay. Let me show it to you again. I show you here that 100 moving average and the 200 moving average. And what me I told you that 100 moving average every time historically, that one is just the simple one. Historically, when us we are in an uptrend like that, every time that one is reacting like a very stronger support. You can even go back and see it. By the way, before we go back, as you see it, when we touch it here, it's showing here like a rejection. And look at it today. Now we need that break to happen here. We need to break here. That means also we are going to go more higher than that. And let me to show it to you historical what it been doing when the Bitcoin touching here that 100 moving average. So let's see it. As you see it here. Look at it here. And even if you go back a lot, you will find it the same thing. Look at it here. Look at it here. The only time when it's break it, the trend it change. Same thing here. Now we touch it here at that level here that it's indicating maybe also we are going to jump, guys. And me have been telling you that in June the market is going to reverse because now it's still only 6 months to the halving cycle and majority of big whales of crypto they started buying. So even you don't try to miss that. And I tell it to you here. And when we are here, I told you there is a correction going to come and that one is going to be the last correction, and I think is it that one here. So don't try to miss, guys. Try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said here? People, they've been with me here that 2 weeks now. Us, we buy from here. Me personally, I buy from here because I used to have here that wage. When it's getting broke here, I buy. I put stop loss down here. Yes or no? That's what me have been telling you. Then I enter that I buy and I put stop loss down here. That means the stop loss for the long. Then I enter a short from here. People, they've been with us. They remember that I enter a short from that big breakout will happen here and I put stop loss here. That for the short. Bitcoin, it went up till here. It fall down till here. Me, I'm still holding my positions. Now, what me I told you in the last videos. People, they been with us. What me I told you here. We came here. And we do it like that and like that here in the top. That's how else we do it. Yes or no? And I told you if we don't break in the distribution level, there is no entry long, guys. What happened today? At distribution level, it's getting broke and it's hitting for me the stop loss. I enter another long from here, and that's what my plan. I told you I'm waiting that one here, either to get broke here, I'm going to enter another long, or either to get broke down, I'm going to enter another short. It's getting broke here as you see it. Now, where is the take profit for that one? If we analyze it technically here, take profit for that one, it needs to be like that. We just came here and we draw in here a line like that, and that line here, where is getting broke? It's getting broke here. We will do it like that. So the take profit for that one is going to be 29,100 here exactly. Yes or no? Another thing here in that level where we are here, we got here a weekly pivot, guys. Here exactly, we touch it here, and as you see it here, what's it doing? So you need to be focused about those things. What I'm telling you, we got here at that level here a weekly pivot. If you're using the pivots, you know what I'm talking about. It's all levels, just levels. Let's make it like the support and resistance or something. When it touch here, look at the Bitcoin, what it doing here. So now what should we do? Should we enter long? Yeah, just enter long. Only thing, I haven't put stop loss far away. I put it just here, because maybe we're going to see a correction. We don't know what's going to happen exactly. No one know. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, here in the 4 hours. Our indicator here in the 4 hours, look at it, where it is now. Is it here at the overbought area? Should we take the profit now? People, they enter along with me. Should we take the profit now? Just protect yourself. Take profit? No, just protect yourself. That's it. That's the only thing I tell you. You remember what else we been saying? We got here at divergence, and the divergence, look at it now, tell where it taking the Bitcoin. And that one here, look at it, it touch here the oversold area. Now here it touched the overbought area. So there is a correction going to come to where we don't know exactly tell where, but also now here we are at the overbought area. I think maybe it's going to go up a little bit more than that, because the Bitcoin, when it's going up, it go by power. When it's falling, it fall down slowly. That's what also we're seeing in the market tell now, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember me enter from here when we used to be here at the oversold area, that level here, and that wage here is getting broke here. Enter long. Yes or no? People, they been with us, they remember all those things. I put stop loss down here. Then for the short, we used to have here a triangle like that. It's getting broke here. It fall down till here again. Yes or no? But today it's breaking for us here, as you see it. And the Bitcoin is still going up, guys. Now what should we do? Should we take the profit? No. Take profit for that one, it needs to be here. Exactly here. You see it or no? I just tell it to you, 29,100. Another thing you need to be focused about here in the 4 hours. Is it that one, that channel here? I show you that channel before, but it's okay to repeat it. You see it or no, that channel, how it is? It's need even that channel here to be focused about what the Bitcoin is going to do here at that channel. If we break it, that means us we are going to go more higher, and we're going to break the last high, which is here at 30k. So you need to be focused, guys. What me I'm telling you till now here. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Also, we give you here a signal, a head and shoulder here. People, they been with us, they remember that. Then we give you here a flag like that. Yes or no? It's getting broke. Look, tell where you are now. The last video I give you that flag here. Now at that level where we are here, what shall we do? If we got any price action there, we need to be focused about. At that level here, we don't got any price action, guys. There is nothing now. The only thing you can do now, just come here like that, and you draw in here the trend line here. It's far away from it, the market. Yes or no? And look at it. Also, we're still talking, and the Bitcoin is still going up. That's what me I told you. The Bitcoin with going up, it go always by power. You see it or no? It's still going up by power. That's what me I told you. 29,100. That's where it needs to be the take profit of you. Not take profit, just protect yourself. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter a short? We don't got any price action here telling us we need to enter short. The only price action you can make there is the one, the trend line, and that trend line, look where you are. You are very far away from it now. Everything is too clear, guys. So if there is going to happen a short, it's need the Bitcoin to bounce here. That's what me have been telling you. When a falling knife falling, you can't catch it like that. What the knife need to do, need to touch the soil or the floor, then to bounce like that, to slow down for you to catch it. Same thing now. That one is a rocket going up. It need to bounce to give us here a price action indication for us. Also, we need to enter. Sure, guys. Everything is together, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.